Hello everybody. Now we are going to start your second number chapter, polynomial. Remember friends, this is the most difficult chapter because it is an algebraic chapter. You need to recall your factors, their rules, expansion and their rules, and some new rules are also added. Okay? So please be alert, take your note and pen, try to understand and then note down by repeating this video again and again. See, very slowly I'm going. What do you mean by polynomial? It's a Latin language. Poly means so many. Poly, it means so many. And nominals, it means term. So many terms together form polynomials. Is it okay? And mathematically it is said that polynomial is an algebraic expression in a variable, maybe one or two. Here in this 9th standard we are going to learn about only one variable, so I write a variable. Okay, so it is an algebraic expression in a variable having exponent. Exponent means power, non-negative or called whole number. This is a polynomial. Very interesting, having only one variable. Once again I repeat that in 9th standard we are going to learn about only in one variable. Try to understand, try to recognize what is called polynomial, how we recognize that this equation or this expression is a polynomial or not. So the condition is what? It should be in a one variable and the power or exponent must be non-negative, or in another language called whole number. You have learnt about whole number in first chapter, that the number 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. are whole number. Means in the power there is this type of non-negative integers. Then we consider that the given expression is a polynomial. Is it okay? Again I repeat, polynomial means an algebraic expression having exponent means power is non-negative whole number. Is it okay? As for example, it is denoted as polynomial over x, means variable here we use x. Polynomial p, polynomial over x. It is said like this. It can be written in the ascending order of power or a descending order of power, but generally in your textbook it is given in descending order of power. So we write first the highest power and then in gradually succeeding descending order. See, p of x, I write a0 x raised to n, a1 x raised to n minus 1, a2 x raised to n minus 2 and up to an. See, little bit difficult? No, it is very easy. See here, x is used as a variable. That's why we write p over x, means polynomial over x. Maybe polynomial over y, maybe polynomial over t, etc. Means variables are maybe different. Now what is a0, a1, a2 up to an? So here a0, a1, a2 up to an are known as coefficients. They are called coefficients. Means a0 is multiplied with x raised to n power, a1 is multiplied with x raised to n minus 1 power, and so on. So they are known as coefficient. Out of this, A0 is written as first. That's why it is known as leading coefficient. So it is called leading coefficient. Now n minus 1 and so on, n is called exponent. Here it is degree. What do you mean by degree? Degree means highest power. I told you that in your textbook all polynomials are given in descending order of power. So we write the first highest power, and the coefficient of the highest power A0 is called leading coefficient. What do you mean by leading coefficient? Leading coefficient means coefficient of the variable having highest power. Here n is the highest power is known as the degree of the polynomial. As for example, see, we take one polynomial over x, we write x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 1x minus 5. See, we arrange it as a descending order of power, that is 4 power, 3 power, 2 power, 1 power and 0 power. Here it is written as x raised to 0 power. You know that anything raised to 0 is 1. Don't think anything raised to 0 is 0. Okay? Anything raised to 0, here x raised to 0 is 1. So 5 ones are 5. This is 5 only. So degree of this polynomial, degree means highest power. Highest power is 4. So degree is called 4. What is the leading coefficient? Leading coefficient of this expression. Leading coefficient means the highest power term. Its coefficient, here nothing is multiplied, so we take 1 is multiplied. 1 into x raised to 4. Okay, so leading coefficient is 1 and the degree is 4. Okay, so in this way you can categorize, you can find that which polynomial is this. Write always in the descending order of power. Note down that variable is 1. Okay, only x is used here, maybe y, maybe t, maybe q is used, but only one variable is used here. And the power or exponent is what? Whole number. 4 power, 3 power, 2 power, 1 power and 0 power. If there is no whole number, that means minus power is there, maybe fraction power is there, then it is not called polynomial. As for example, again, suppose polynomial over y we take, polynomial q over y, and if you write that half y raised to 3 minus 1, then whether it is polynomial or not, can you judge? Yes, it is polynomial. You have to think what variable should be 1. First thing, only y variable is used here. The power, see the degree or power, exponent. Exponent uses your whole number 3. Don't think about this. This is coefficient. Coefficient may be anything, may be real number. As for example, r over t polynomial. If you take root t minus 5, whether it is polynomial or not, only one variable is there. Yes, but the power is root t. Root t is written as what? Root means half power. So power is here in fraction. If power is in fraction, so no, it is not called polynomial. Is it okay? So in this way we can find whether the given expression is polynomial or not. One homework, suppose s of z, polynomial over z, z plus 1 upon z, whether it is polynomial or not. Though it is homework, but I give you answer also. See, one variable is there. Yes, power of z is 1, and here If you simplify, you will get z plus z raised to 1 power, but if you take in the numerator, then it will be z raised to minus 1 power. Here power is negative. If power is negative, we said it is not the polynomial. Is it okay? So concentrate on variable, there should be one variable. Concentrate on exponent or power, okay? That means power should be whole number, no fraction, no negative power is there. Okay, now types of the polynomial. Types of the polynomial. Mainly 4 types, but you are going to learn only 3 types. Types of the polynomial. First is monomial. Monomial means polynomial having one term. Polynomial having one term, that is called monomial. As for example, 5x cube. As for example, root 5y square. Or as for example, only half. That is called constant term. Here root is the coefficient. Power is not in the square root or fraction. Second is binomial. Binomial means polynomial having 2 terms. If there are 2 terms, then this type of polynomial is known as binomial. As for example, I select the same one like this, 5x cube plus 2x square. Here root 5y square minus 3, and here we add that x plus half. 2 terms are there, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So they are known as binomial. Now the third one is trinomial. Now you know what is called trinomial? Polynomial having polynomial having 3 terms, that it is called trinomial. As for example, 5x cube plus 2x square minus 3, 1, 2, 3 term. Root 5y square plus 2y minus 3. Here I add 1 x square plus x plus half. All these are trinomial, polynomial having 3 terms. Fourth is also there, biquadratic, but it is not in your course. According to the number of terms, we divide the polynomial into 3 types. That is monomial, binomial and trinomial. Now, according to the power or exponent, we divide it into another 3 terms. First is linear polynomial. Linear means highest power 1, or in short we say that degree 1. That algebraic expression or polynomial having degree 1, degree means highest power, then it is called linear polynomial. As for example, x plus 5. X raised to nothing, that means 1. Okay, highest power or degree is called 1, so this type of polynomial is known as linear polynomial. Now, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means highest power 2. Highest power is called degree. So we said what? Degree of the polynomial is 2. As for example, x square minus x minus 2. That you have learned in 8th standard also. Splitting the middle term. Have you remember how to factorize it? Okay, we will learn in this lesson also. So degree is 2, that is called quadratic polynomial, and the third one is cubic polynomial. Cubic means highest power 3. Highest power is known as degree. So here we write degree is 3. As for example, x cube minus 1. Highest power is 3. X cube plus 1 or x cube plus x square minus 1. Whatever it. Highest power is 3. Degree is 3. So this type of polynomial is known as cubic polynomial. So this is about the theory of polynomial. If you understand this very well, learn it very well, try to grab it very well, then you can give the answer of exercise 2.1. So let us start exercise 2.1. Write down all these by repeating this video. Exercise 2.1. Question number 1. Though I have no textbook, but I have a PDF file in my laptop. So on page number 32, if you have a textbook or a PDF or whatever, then you can find on page number 32, exercise 2.1. The first question is, which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. See, the first one is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Find out, is this polynomial or not? So yes, it is a polynomial in one variable, because variable is 1, no negative power, no fraction power. So you can write what? Yes, it is a polynomial in one variable. Very simple, variable is x. Second question, y square plus root 2. Again, variable is 1 only, power is 2, root 2 is the constant term. You have to think, or you have to concentrate or focus only in power. Okay, so once again I write, it is a polynomial in one variable, and here the variable is y. Third is 3 root t plus t root 2. Variable is 1, but variable t having square root. Square root means power is what? Half, means fraction. So no, it is not a polynomial. Because power is in fraction. Fourth number, y plus 2 upon y. Just before this we discussed that if y is in the denominator, that means it has power 1, but if you take into numerator, then power will be negative. So if you simplify, then it implies that y plus 2 y raised to minus 1. That means no, it is not a polynomial. Because power is negative. Fifth, x raised to 10 plus y raised to 3 plus t raised to 50. Here this is not called polynomial because 3 variables are there. No, it is not a polynomial because it means expression has 3 variables. Is it okay? Very simple question and simple answer. Now question number 2. Write the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. You can do it orally also. See, 2 plus x square plus x. Polynomial is given. Now x square term is this. Find out x square term. Its coefficient means which term is multiplied with x square? Nothing. Here nothing means 1. So coefficient of x square is 1. Second number, 2 minus, just a minute, 2 minus x square plus x cube. See, coefficient of x square is, here x square, its coefficient is minus 1. Third number, pi by 2x square plus x. Find out the x square term. X square term is here, its coefficient is what? Coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Fourth is root 2x minus 1. Find out which one is x square term. X square term is not given, so we write what? Coefficient of x square is 0. Is it okay? Question number 3. That give one example each of a binomial of degree 35. One example of binomial polynomial of degree 35. You can write in any, because infinite answers are there. Having degree 35, but write only 2 terms, so I write x raised to 35 plus something minus x raised to 30. And the second question is, write the example of monomial of degree 100. Monomial of degree 100. Having only 100 power and 1 term. Suppose y raised to 100. Nothing more than this. Only 1 term I need. You can write here coefficient if you want. Is it okay? This is your question number 3. Now question number 4. Write the, first repeat this video, and you can take screenshot also and then note down all this thing in your separate notebook. Now question number 4. Write the degree of each of the following polynomial. We want to write degree. Degree means highest power. Write degree of the polynomial. First question, 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Degree, highest power is what? Here 3 power, 2 power and 1 power. Highest is 3, so you can easily write degree is 3. Second question, 4 minus y square. See the degree only. Degree means highest power is 2. Third question, 5t minus root 7. See the variable is t, highest power is 1, so we write degree equals to 1. Fourth number, polynomial is only a constant term 3, so here no variable is there. If there is no variable, then degree is 0. 5 number question, Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Classify in 3 polynomial. First is x square plus x. Highest power is 2. Okay? If highest power is 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial. Second, x minus x cube. Highest power is 3. If power is 3, then it is called cubic polynomial. Third question, y plus y square plus 4. Highest power or degree is 2. If degree is 2, then we said it is quadratic polynomial. Fourth question, 1 plus x. See the variable is x having 1 power. If 1 power, then this is called linear polynomial. Question number 5, 3t. See the variable is t and having 1 power only, so it is called linear polynomial. Sixth number is r square. Variable is r, power is 2. If 2 power, then we said it is quadratic polynomial. Seventh number, 7x cube. See the variable is x, highest power is 3, so it is known as cubic polynomial. Once again, note down this. Once again, I said you can take a snap. This is your exercise 2.1. After that, we will start exercise 2.2. That's it.